In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Spotify Student Premium not working. Let's get started. First, check your eligibility. This plan only works if you are currently enrolled in an accredited college or university. So if your student status has expired, the discount won't apply. After you check that and if you're eligible, launch your Spotify app. Navigate to homepage, click on your profile icon, go to settings and privacy. Now here review your account details. Make sure your email, payment method and university information are all correct as incorrect details can block verification. You can also go ahead and update your billing method with a valid card or payment option and try again. With this, your problem might be resolved. If still you are having the issue, what you can do is log out of your account, wait for a few minutes, and log in back. Likewise, check for app updates. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. These simple steps usually fix the issue and get your student premium back up and running. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.